Hey everyone, it's Becca and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my 2018 Lucky Bag unboxing. It was delivered yesterday and I was waiting all day to film the video because I had the day off, and it didn't get delivered until like 7 p.m. at night, which was super frustrating, so then I didn't film it because I was exhausted at that point. But I am filming it today before I head off to work. I did just drop it. It was nicely packaged. I just drop it, try to take the thumbnail, so hopefully everything's okay in there. But I've seen a couple people's videos. I'm pretty excited from the stuff they got. I hope I don't get anything I already have. If I do, not a big deal. I'll pass it along, but always, you know, that is the hope, is not to get something you want. I kind of just want to touch base about something. Fortunately, I got a sad email today from YouTube. They're really just people, again, I'm really frustrated with them, me included. I understand their business and stuff, and, you know, they need to protect themselves, but it sucks for content creators, especially small channels like mine. Since I don't have 1,000 subscribers, I only have like 170, which is, I'm very happy with. I love it to grow more, and it has been growing, but, you know, under 1,000. Unfortunately, I'm no longer going to be a partner. It sucks that I can't be grandfathered in. I know they've done some similar things like that, and I also will be losing certain features that I would have had as a partner. I won't be monetized anymore, which is important. Not that I ever made that much for monetization, but it was a decent amount. Not a decent amount, but it was something, you know. So that's unfortunate. Yeah, again, sucks that I can't be grandfathered in, and that it was just kind of, you know, told us today. I think it's happening February 20th. So about a month warning there. I will still be making videos. I love making videos, but it's just unfortunate if you see certain things aren't on my channel anymore, like, you know, certain features. It's because I'm no longer a YouTube partner until I reach 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, it just kind of all really sucks. Really sucks. I understand some of the reasoning behind it, but some I don't. I don't understand. You know, I was a YouTube partner, now that's being taken away. I was monetized, now that's being taken away. Don't know why I couldn't be grandfathered in, and, you know, everyone else starting henceforth, you know, going forward, who makes a channel. I think that would have been a little bit nicer, but it is what it is. Hopefully in some things I can be grandfathered in with features like end cards and things like that, but I'm not too sure. So we will see, but yeah, I just wanted to share that sad news. But anyway, let's get into the exciting lucky bag. Here it is. Don't want to drop it again. Again, beautiful packaging, wrapped in paper. I will read it. It says, "Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's lucky bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year." So let's get into it. First thing I see here is the Clean APOTHECARY brush shampoo in grapefruit. I believe I got a brush shampoo last time. I have my favorites, but, you know, brush shampoo, ooh, it smells delicious. Brush shampoo is always good. Not something I'm super excited about, but hey, I won't complain. And then it looks like everything else is wrapped in here. Ooh, the second thing I see is a Wayne Goss brush, which is so funny because last year I didn't have any Wayne Goss brushes, and I didn't unfortunately get any in my lucky bag, and now I do have Wayne Goss brushes. So, but I'm excited to have more. I love these. Can never have too many. I did my eyeshadow with them today. They're beautiful, amazing. I have always been one, you know, my brushes that I have, some high-end, some not, but nothing too crazy. I've always thought they were perfectly fine. Since using Wayne Goss brushes, totally disagree with that. I think everything is subpar to his brushes. Makes eyeshadow blend amazingly, like incredibly, oh my gosh, I don't know what I was missing out on. So I do already have the 18 brush, but like I said, as you can see, I've been using this one. It's dirty. Can never complain. Love to have another one, so that's fine by me. Ooh, the next thing in here is by Charlotte Tilbury. Got something by Charlotte Tilbury last time, and that's the only product I have from her, so excited to have another here. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. And let's find out what the shade is. The shade is in Dolly Bird. Love the rose gold packaging. And ooh, it has a window to it too, so that's the color. Oh, I forgot I'm not wearing any lip product right now. But there it is. It looks like definitely on the moussier side. So really excited about that. Ooh, the next thing in here is KEVYN Aquad the Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting. Ooh, I think I've heard about this and people like it. Wow, looks full size. Yeah, I wonder what the shade is in. It's in Candlelight. Yeah, I have the powder version of this, which is gorgeous. Took the little stopper out there. Gorgeous packaging as well. Kind of looks dark actually. It doesn't look very shimmery, but maybe it's because it wasn't shaken up. I didn't shake it. But I'll play around with that. That's super exciting. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. I saw some people getting the Jouer Skinny Dip palette, but I'm actually excited I got this one. This is the Anastasia Prism palette. I've heard great things about this. People said this is what they wanted the subculture to be. I actually did purchase the subculture and still have to try it, but I'm excited to have this. It does look kind of like the subculture. These look gorgeous. There's some swatched right there. There are those swatches. The shimmers didn't actually swatch the best there, but I'm super excited to play around with this and have it. Definitely wasn't something I was thinking of purchasing myself, so it's kind of nice that it was like a gift. Like I didn't pick it out myself, but I'm super excited to have it. And then it looks like the last thing in here is the Snowise Brightening Mask by SULWHASOO. Looks like some Japanese or Chinese brand. I think it looks like Japanese to me. And it's a brightening mask. Looks like a sheet mask. So that's great. So I mean, I got a full-size palette. That's in the $30–40 range. I got this. KEVYN Aquad, that's super expensive. Charlotte Tilbury, that's super expensive. Wayne Goss, that's a decent chunk of money in the $20–30 range. And then this brush shampoo. I will leave the total amount of all of those on there, but it's well worth it for me. I believe it's going to be over $150. That's what they guarantee. And you pay $75 plus shipping, but I used some gift cards that I had from their gift card event earlier in like November, I think. Or December, October, November, December, something like that. That's always how I do those two kind of events. I pair them together. So for me, I only paid like $44 for this. So honestly, super well worth it for me. Super excited about my bag. I only had one repeat of something I already owned, and it's something I'm excited to have a double of. So yeah, really, really great lucky bag. I think I lucked out on this one, pun intended. So sorry if I'm keep going in and out of focus. I don't know why that's happening, but anyway, if you can see, I got some lights. I don't know if you can tell, you probably can't, but they're hearts, and they're pink. The light is white, but they're pink for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I love having those up there. Those are really cute. I have some right above me behind the camera, and then I also have some hanging above my closet. Got some at Target, just the bullseye section for like $3 each, and then my dad got me these ones that kind of sparked my whole interest in them. But anyway, super excited about this lucky bag. Not excited about what's gonna go on with YouTube, unfortunately, but hopefully not too much will change with my channel. And you know, just know that I will still be making videos. I love making videos, and I'm glad you guys enjoy watching them. So anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.